Hello children, welcome to Devati Modi Public School Science Class 6. Today we will learn Chapter 3 Fiber to Fabric. Children, you saw a many variety of the clothing materials like cotton, chiffon, woolen, silk, etc. They are used for the wearing purpose. Other than these material, there are some other material also which is used for the different purpose, like some are used as a bed sheet, blankets, curtain, tablecloths, towel, etc. These materials made from the different kind of fabric. Even your school bag is also made from the some kind of the fabric. So there are the many variety of the fabric. So in this chapter we will learn about the fabric, types of fabric and how fabric is made of. So let's start the chapter. First, variety in fabric. Here is the activity 1. In this activity we have to touch the different clothing materials. Like this is the synthetic clothing material. This is cotton material. This is nylon and this is the woolen material. When we touch each them, then we can find that the material of each one is different from the one another. It means fabric is made from the different material. Now activity 2. This activity is about the yarn. What is yarn? See children, this is also a kind of cotton material. In this cotton material, you can see this single loose thread. This single loose thread. You can see that when these threads are arranged in a very systematic pattern, then the fabric is made of. It means fabric is made from the yarn. When yarn is arranged in a systematic pattern, then the fabric is made of. Now activity 3. In this activity we have to take a piece of the cotton fabric, then from one end we have to press this fabric and from the other hand we have to stretch it along with its length. When we stretch this thread is split into the many other thinner strands. So these thin strands of thread that are made up of still thinner strands are called fibers. It means yarn is made from the fibers. Now it will comes out that fabric is made of yarn and yarn is further made up from the fiber. Now there are the sources of the fibers. There are the two sources of fiber. One is natural fiber, second is synthetic fiber. Natural fiber are those fiber which is obtained from the plant and animal. Example, cotton, jute, silk, wool, etc. All these fiber are obtained from the plant and animal. That is why they are called as natural fiber. Example, cotton and jute is obtained from the plant. Wool and silk is obtained from the animal. Silk fiber is obtained from the cocoon of the silkworm. Second one is chemical fiber. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are those fiber which is made from the chemicals. The example, polyester, nylon, acrylic, etc. So these are the sources of the fibers. One is natural and second one is synthetic fiber. Now some plant fiber. First, cotton. You are very familiar with the cotton. Mostly cotton is used for the wearing purpose. Cotton is also used for the filling mattresses, quilts or pillows, etc. Cotton plants are usually grown at the place having black soil and warm climate. Fruits of the cotton plant, which called cotton balls, are about the size of the lemon. After maturing, the ball bursts open and seeds covered with cotton fiber can be seen. Like this. These are the burst cotton balls, and seed we can see that these white part is the cotton fiber. From these balls, cotton is usually picked by hand. Fiber are then separated from the seed by combing. This process is called as ginning. Means ginning is the process in which fiber is separated from the seed. Like this picture, this person is ginning the fiber from the seed. Second plant fiber is jute. Jute is cultivated during the rainy season. In India, jute mainly grown in the West Bengal, Bihar, Assam. The stem of the harvested plant are immersed in water for a few days, then stem, root and fiber are separated by the hand. To make fabric, these fibers are converted into the yarn. How these fiber is converted into the yarn? This process is called as spinning. Now we will read spinning cotton yarn. Process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. As I told you before that the process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. Spinning is done by simple devices which is hand spindle called takli. We also use charkha for spinning. Like you can see that in this picture, this is the charkha. After spinning, fiber is converted into yarn. Now yarn is converted into fabric. There are the two main processes in which yarn is converted into fabric. One is weaving and second is knitting. First one is weaving. Weaving involves making fabric by arranging two sets of yarn. It is done by using a machine called loom. You can see in this picture, this machine is called the loom and the person is operating this machine. This machine can be operated by hand or by power. The pattern in which two sets of threads are arranged in a piece of woven cloth is called weave. This is the pattern of arranging the yarn. This is the one yarn and this one is the second yarn, and they are arranging in this pattern and the fabric is made of. So this machine is called as loom and this is operated by this person by hand. Second method is knitting. Knitting involves making fabric by forming a series of connected loops of yarn by using knitting needles or machine. This is the needle and this is the loop. You all are familiar with the knitting. Sweaters are made from the woolen yarn by knitting. All of you wear the woolen sweaters made by your mother. So students, that's all for this chapter. I hope all of you understand the term fabric, how is fabric is made of. So we will meet in our next science video. Keep watching Devati's online video classes. Take care. Bye.